So this is your living area. As you can see, kitchen again has been given very proper marble flooring. Your master bedroom, it is extremely spacious. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Ikhlas and today we will be doing the actual sample flat tour of Casa Grande Hola Chennai by Casa Grande Builder Private Limited. Now the project is located in Sholinganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project, and this behind me is your marketing office. And that is your land parcel. Now let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platform where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. First is the project overview. Casa Grande Hola Chennai project is spread across an expansive 30 acres of land parcel featuring in total 13 towers and blocks rising like basement plus ground plus 9 floors with a total of about 1,818 premium homes, including 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments as well as 4 BHK floor villas and villas. Next is the amenities. The project offers a blend of premium lifestyle and community amenities such as a 26,000 square feet acre dual world-class clubhouse, multiple swimming pools, fully equipped gymnasium, jogging tracks, indoor, outdoor sports courts, children's play zone areas, and many more. So the next one is the location. As you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Sholinganallur, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. And this side of the road connects you to the Sholinganallur's main road. Now the nearby connectivity, the old Mahabalipuram road is only 5 minutes from here approximately, and the Sholinganallur junction is also only 8 minutes from here approximately. The Perambakkam road access is also only 10 minutes drive from here approximately. So everyone, now we will be doing the actual sample flat tour for Casa Grande Hola Chennai for 4 BHK 4 toilets, and the configuration for that is 2,530 square feet. Let's get started. As you can see, first we have our 8 feet tall door which comes with proper lock system. So you can place your fingerprint here, or if you want you can add extra lock systems to this as well. And as you may notice, the first storage area has already been designed in such a way that if you want you can add your shoe racks on this side, or if you want you can place an extra couch for sitting right before you enter your living area. So this is your living area. As you can see, the living area is designed in a very open like space. So you can add enough couches, and if you want you can extend them to all the way over there as well. And again, we have a proper TV system area here as well. So if you want, you can design it this way. You can add your extra living area storage units there, and you can place your TV here. You have a back wall panel for your TV as well, and each side of the room has electric units. If you want, you can place your AC as well. Proper AC unit systems have been given all around your house, and again, all the flooring that has been done in the house is proper marble flooring. Now, coming to the other side of the living area, if you may have noticed, this side of the area again is very spacious. So if you want, you can extend your dining area all the way up to here as well, and if you want you can do designing however you like in your house. And if you notice, that side also can be used for your storage units, or you can extend again your dining area all the way up to here. Electric units have also been placed there. Now, right very close to your living cum dining area, you will have your attached balcony. Now your balcony again is extremely spacious all the way from there to here, and it gives you a proper side view of your locality and you have proper sunlight from here, good amount of ventilation, so you can add your plants as well in your attached balcony. Now, right very close to your living area come your dining area. As we enter to this corner of the house, you will first have your kitchen on this side. So if you may have noticed, the kitchen again has been given very proper marble flooring all the way, and proper storage spaces have been kept open. So if you want, you can add your fridge on this side of your kitchen. If you want, you can place your oven on the other side of the kitchen. So that means all your kitchen has proper electric units. Now, your kitchen also will have a dry balcony. So as you enter your dry balcony, you will notice that the railings have been given, which are for safety reasons, but this also gives you direct view access to your locality, and your washing machine can be placed here, your laundry systems can be done here. Now we'll be entering into our first bedroom. As you can see, your first bedroom is also very spacious, and this is again designed in a very storage open space like room area. So this side of the room can be used for adding your mirror, or if you want, you can place your study table here, your drawing area, or design it however you like, and your TV can be again placed on this side of the room. Electric units have each been placed on your room. So your storage area for your wardrobe can be added on this side of the room. You can design it however you like. You can add a king size bed also in your room. That will still give you an open space in your room to add much more things. Now, your bedroom also comes with an attached window system, which can also be used as a balcony. But for your safety reasons, it has been designed in such a way that railings have added. And as you can see, you can get a view again of your locality with good amount of sunlight and ventilation source. Now we'll be entering into our second bedroom. As you can see, your second bedroom again is much more spacious compared to your first bedroom. Now, your second bedroom also has a different designing viewpoint here. As you can notice, this side of the room is much more spacious, even though you can add a king size bed and you will still have space here. So if you want, you can add your extra couches here or design this into something else as well. Now, this room also comes with proper balcony come attached system, more like your window system, again has proper railings, takes you over to your locality view, enough amount of sunlight and ventilation coming all the way through your room. Your wardrobes can be added on this side, or if you want, you can turn this area into your walk-in closet, because this side of the room still has a lot of space to cover up. So you also have an attached washroom given over here, which will have glazed ceramic wall tiles, and you have your fixed glass partition giving you that European open shower system. Then you have luxurious granite counter. You will have your wash basin here, proper lighting system given to your mirror, and on that side you will have your exhaust fan and your ventilation system. Now, moving forward with our third bedroom. So this bedroom is not going to have an attached washroom. Instead, you are going to have your open washroom system here. So this room can be either used as your guest room, your kids room, or however. Now, if you may notice, the washroom again here is done with glazed ceramic tiles, and you have your exhaust fan and your ventilation system placed on this side of your washroom, and again your standard fitting wash basin comes on this side. The mirror also does have lighting on this washroom as well. Now, Coming forward with our third bedroom. The third bedroom also is designed in a very open space area, and if you may notice, this side of the room also has still a lot of spaces on actually both sides of the room. So if you want, you can add your extra storage here or add your bookshelf counter or design it however you like. Now, this room also comes with an open attached window balcony system, proper railings given to this room as well, and gives you a direct access viewpoint to your outside locality, giving you proper amount of sunlight and ventilation. You can place your wardrobe as this side of the room, or you can turn this room also into your walk-in closet because there is enough space still left for your room to design it however you like. Now, before we move into our other room, if you may notice, there's an extra space given designed here as well. So right beside your open washroom, you can add an extra basin for your guest. If you want, you can place your washing machine here, or if you want, you can add your laundry system here because there's a dry attached balcony as well in your kitchen. Now, before we enter into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. You see, as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will notice everything that you need to know about the project. Like, also give you actual proper location tours of all the projects. You will also find the pros and cons of the project. Not just that, but you will also find the payment options, the pricing options, EMI, down payment options, and you will also get a virtual 360 tour of the project. And if you wish to come for a site visit, you will get a free site visit. You can schedule it either by clicking on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com and you will find all your information there. Now, entering into our master bedroom. Now, of course, because this is your master bedroom, it is extremely spacious, and even if you add a king size bed here, you will again have a lot of two open spaces given to each side of your room to add enough more wardrobes or your drawers. You can add a bookshelf, you can add a studying table, or if you want, you can turn this room also into a mini theater if you wish to. Now, this side of your room comes with your proper balcony system, attached balcony. So it gives you direct access view again to outside of your locality, and this also comes with proper railings done for your safety reasons. If you want, you can add an extra cozy area here, or you can turn this into your plant area. Now, the best part about your master bedroom is that it has so much open space designed for you that you can have another corner for yourself to turn that exactly into your walk-in closet system. Not just that, but it is designed in such a way that if you want, you can add a dressing table on this side of your room. You can add lightings to it and design it however you like. And right close to that, you will have your luxurious washroom. Now, your attached washroom also is very spacious for your master bedroom. Comes again with proper marble flooring done, a huge mirror system given to you with proper lightings done, and you have enough amount of source for your ventilation coming from that side with an open shower system. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for 4 BHK 4 toilets for Casa Grande Hola, Chennai. And if you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe to Housey for more such amazing walkthroughs.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.